This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, and I have a really good tip for you to save storage space on your Mac hard drive if you're getting those warnings from Mac OS saying that you're running out of storage space. And this applies if you have Dropbox too. So let me explain how it works. Go to your Mac, open it up, and then look for the Dropbox icon that's in the taskbar or menu bar, or whatever they call this up here. Click on that. I think it might be called System Tray, actually. And once you click on that, click on the photo for your account. So that's my picture. And then find Manage Hard Drive Space. So basically what this is a shortcut to decide which files or folders that you want to basically move to online only. Because right now, it's showing that I have 145 gigabytes of files and folders on my hard drive that are syncing to Dropbox, and that's way too much. Like I'm sure I could basically move 50 gigabytes of that just to online only, and I'd still be fine because they'd still be in Dropbox. So this is how to do it. You basically select the files or the folders that you want to move. So I've just selected 3 folders, and together that's more than a gigabyte of space. And then I'm going to click the button that says Move to Online Only. And it says success. You've saved 1.14 gigabytes of hard drive space. And you can keep on going through and deciding what you want to move over to online only or what you want to keep. You can also just do it by folders, which oftentimes will do a lot of data at one time, like Genealogy Master. That's 7.35 gigabytes, so I can move that to online only. But maybe I might decide, like, actually the genealogy files, I want to keep a copy on my hard drive, so I'm not going to move that one. But this one, Home 2014, maybe I want to move that to online only. So basically, that's the way it works. It's pretty easy. The other way to do this is to select which folders you want to sync. That takes a little bit more time, but this is just a very quick shortcut to free up more hard drive space on your Mac by moving files and folders to online only in Dropbox. Hope this video helped. If it did, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.